Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can instantly edit your Google Photos Recap 2025 using CapCut. So stop settling for basic slideshow for your recap. Here I'm going to show you how you can import your Google Year in Review highlights directly into CapCut to use trending AI template, smooth transition, and viral sounds. So in CapCut, in here actually, when you go to the templates tab on your CapCut mobile, you'll easily see this 2025 CapCut with Google Photos. So when you click on this, CapCut will show you this. You can style your 2025 recap using CapCut easily. So the steps you need to first, head into Google Photos to see your 2025 story and relive your favorite moments. And after that, you can just tap on Edit with CapCut at the end of the recap and find the perfect template to give 2025 your signature vibe. So, what you need to do once you see this, you can just click on Open Google Photos and you'll be directed to Google Photos immediately like this. But as you guys can see, if you see this like I do in here, something went wrong, that means your backup is off. So what you need to do first, you can create your own highlight video by clicking on this, or you can just click on your photo at the top right corner, and then you need to turn backup on first, so that after that your recap will be available. And after that, you can just follow the previous steps on CapCut like this. So when your recap is available, you can just click on Edit with CapCut to be able to use the one tap CapCut template method. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.